as you can see here, I am currently wearing the full body tracking devices known as SlimeVR. Now, for those of you who may be curious, what is SlimeVR? It's basically this full body motion capture device that has a bunch of these little IMU sensors that can be used to basically track your body inside out while no occlusion, basically. Completely covered. In fact, let me show you. There's no external base stations. This is a hoodie, and I can still move my hand up and down. But yeah, here's just a little demo of the things that I've been up to here today. This is a LucidVR haptic glove. It's a lot of wiring. Basically, the way this works is strings are attached to the end of each of the fingers, which when they are closed, the pinky's a bit broken. But when they are closed, they make a fist. And when they are open, they can do regular old finger tracking. This fine gentleman right here is one of my first examples of custom haptic input through colliders. Right now it's only on this guy's chest, but with this astronaut demo we have here, it's chest, it goes pretty long distance, and it's also hand as well. Let's see if I can feel it being caught. I have no idea where you are. Huh, so it does kind of work. Something I found that helps finger tracking for me, since I apparently have a tiny hand, is sliding up the rigid mount on my hand, so that way it can detect that my fingers are fully open and are closed just a little bit easier. But yeah. When it interacts with the object, it activates the rigid body collider, and then haptics trigger through the gloves. Thank you very much.